All right, Logandale, we're back. I know you've missed me, but you guys have been doing pretty well recently. Now we've got to cover some of the things we've gone over this past week, and this one, real important, finding slope from a graph. Finding slope from a graph. So let's go over a few things. Remember, slope is rise over run. We call slope m. Rise over run. The change in the y's over the change in the x's. How far up, how far over. So, you remember, rise is your change in your y, so how far vertically, up or down. Run is your change in x's, so how far left or right. Okay, so finding slope from a graph is pretty straightforward. There will be a graphed line, you'll be given a couple of points, and you will either have to count how many squares if it's a grid, or measure. If there were no grid, you'd use a ruler to measure in inches, millimeters, centimeters, whatever is given to you to measure. I'm going to do this. Whiteboard has some grid dots on it, so let's put up a point, a line, and see what the slope of it is. So let's say we've got a line that lives somewhere around here. Let's say it's there's a point there. It goes through the origin, and so that means it comes down this way through the origin, goes down through here, another point here. Okay, and here's that line. All right. There's the line. Sloppy copy. Not perfect here. It's not rocket science, just to illustrate how to do this. We want to find out what the slope of that line is. So I'm going to count the dots on this whiteboard. So to go up to this point here, starting from the origin, I'm going up 1, 2. So this has a rise of 2. And now my run is 1, 2, 3, 4. It has a run of 4. So rise over run. This would be the rise of 2, the run of 4, m equals. It's expressed as a fraction, so we can simplify that. 2 over 4 equals 1/2. So the slope of this line is 1/2. That means for every 1 unit up, the rise is going 2 units to the right, 2 units over for the run. It's positive because this line is going up to the right. When you have the lines tracking up to the right, they're going to be positive. If the line was going the other way, it would be negative. Okay? So a line looks like this. I've got 2 points. That's the rise and the run, the slope of 1/2. So what if that line is negative? What does that look like? Let me erase this for you. And we can take that off. Pardon my little pop there. Okay, so sloppy copy. I'm just going to do a y-axis. That's the vertical, the x-axis, the horizontal. This is x. This is y. And let's say we've got a line that lives, I don't know, something like that. And it's going down this way. Okay. So this line is like this. We've got a point here. We've got a point here. Continues on down. Okay. So this line, it's tracking up to the left. So this line is going to have a negative slope. So m equals, it's going to be negative, whatever it is. Right? Goes up to the left. It's negative. So using just the points that I have here, we're going to count how much of a change this is. Going up, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This has a rise of 9. And it's going over to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has a run of 5. Rise of 9, run of 5, rise over run, rise goes on top. So it's a negative 9 over 5. We can't simplify that, so this slope is m equals negative 9 over 5. Negative 9 over 5. Okay? That is finding slope from a graph. Again, we do these videos to help you. Watch them, take notes, watch them again, use it when you're doing your homework. You've got phones, you can look at it on your phone, your computer, your laptop, but we want you to be successful, so use these videos. Let me know if they help you, and I'll continue to make them for you. Some of you have said that these help you, so I will continue to make them and post them for you, especially my favorite people at Logandale. Okay? Bye for now. My next video is going to be finding a slope from 2 points. Hope you enjoy that one.